And if I were to go to Magneto HR,
Yep.
I have extensive sales background. I have financial planning. I did that for 12 years.
Okay.
I then decided to switch careers. I left that and I went and I ran a warehouse plant manager kind of thing for 10 years. And I'm at the same company, but I'm now doing purchasing. How would your platform handle someone like me?
Well, and that's an interesting question. So for someone like you, we're going to bring all the positions that you qualify for. Remember, that's going to be the way we handle the second step, right? We're going to bring a bunch of job positions that are related to your professional background. We're going to allow you to search. We're going to allow you to keyword search among those positions for what you are looking for exactly. What if I want to career switch, right? Let's say, what if I want to do something that I've never done in the past? And that is something that we're going to be allowing candidates to do. Now, most people want to stay in their line of work, right? And if you are experienced and if you are trained in a certain profession, the natural thing is that you stay within that same line of work.
You'd mentioned that you have an AI algorithm, or you're doing something with AI that no one else is doing right now. So is there anything that you might have? So what worries me, or what makes me think is going to happen, is LinkedIn or Indeed will catch up at some point. And so the question is, what do you offer besides the AI algorithm?
We have a suite of features that are going to be available for free to both job seekers and candidates. So that taps into our business model. So we plan to be what is called the freemium model, where we're gonna be free for both companies and job seekers. Like right now, the traditional platforms, companies have to pay. It's free for job seekers, but companies have to pay, right? To post either X amount of job posts. Some of them allow you to post like one for free. Some of them limit you as to the amount of applicants that you can get for a job post for free, things like that. The thing is that eventually they will end up paying to post a job, right? To freely post whatever amount of jobs they want, and to receive as many applicants as they want for the job positions that they have open. We plan to eliminate that, and we plan to be free. We're going to allow companies to post as many jobs as they can, and we're going to be allow them to receive as many applicants as they can. That's one key advantage of Magneto HR, right? That if you're only a company that are interested in posting jobs, you can come to us and do it for free. And if you're interested in other premium services that we're going to be offering, either by staking the Magneto token, and here comes the utility of the token, right? That people can unlock different levels of assistance from Polaris by staking the token, and they can also unlock additional features from Polaris by purchasing those features via NFTs. And the reason why we're doing it via NFTs is because we believe in digital ownership, right? And we believe that all services that you buy, and that anything that you buy online, you have to own. That is something that you must be able to sell, you must be able to transfer and do whatever you want with it. And that's where blockchain comes in as well. Companies, we're going to be free to post jobs, and they only pay if they want to receive additional premium services. And for job seekers, it's going to be free, and they can also pay for premium services. In addition, plenty other free services that we're going to be offering. For example, we're gonna be having aptitude test on the job seeker site for free, and some other features that are not basic like the existing job boards do. They're going to have access for it for free. In addition to that, of our tokenomics, there's going to be a portion that is called ecosystem supporting behavior. So 22.5% of all our circulation will go towards companies and job seekers that use the platform, that sign up in the platform, that post applications. If companies hire through our platform, they will be rewarded for that. If applicants get hired through our platform, they will be rewarded for that, and so on and so forth. So that's another component that differentiates us.
I've looked on LinkedIn quite a bit, and I've looked on Indeed and looked for jobs myself, and I've noticed that there's a lot of fake postings out there. How do you deal with that?
On the company side, we're going to be having a verification process where we only allow companies to create a profile and post jobs if they are building a profile and creating an account from a company domain, for example. And we're going to be verifying that the company, that it's a company domain, and that the company domain pertains to that particular company. I mean, if it's a recruiting company that usually it's hiring on behalf of other companies, then we're going to have an additional process to validate that on the company side. We don't want to be too strict at the beginning because we want to onboard as many companies and job seekers as we can, right? But one of the things that we plan to do in the future is to do badges on job seeker profiles, right? So if we can validate their experience, their educational background, the job experience, right? Then we're going to be assigning badges to them. And that's how we keep building a trustworthy platform where both companies and job seekers can trust each other and go about the process freely. That's going to happen over time, right? It's not going to happen since we launch, but over time, that's our long-term goal, to verify these accolades for job seekers. Where did they go to do their bachelor's degree? If they say they have a master's degree, do they really have it, right? So we're going to be incentivizing them to allow us to validate these things so that they are more appealing candidates to companies.
How do you incentivize them? That sounds really interesting.
Yeah, well,